My name is Sukhaarth Kanwar and this is my Itgs internal assessment project. So I've created an application for my client Anil Agarwal, who is the president of the C1 Vasant Kunj Residential Welfare Association, and this app has been designed to serve the needs of the residents of the society. So I've created an Android application using MIT App Inventor 2, and it can be used in Android phones upwards of Android operating system 2.3. So this is the home screen of the application, and it's the first screen that the users will see. And I've designed it in a user-friendly and clean way. And I've designed the icons using Photoshop. And I've used very large icons so that people of all ages can easily view and use the application. So the home screen is divided into 4 sections here: amenities, news, events, advertisements, and contact. So if I click the amenities icon, here I can see the first amenity, which is a car showroom, and I've included a high resolution image of the amenity, which is a car showroom here. Also, I've used Photoshop to put in a watermark on all the images that I've used so that they can't be misused. Then we have a short description of the amenity here, along with a link to the website of the corresponding amenity. So if I click it, my web browser will open and we'll be redirected to the URL of the car showroom. So if I press the next button down here, I can see the next amenity, which is a shopping mall. So again, I've edited the photo using Photoshop to make it, I've edited the contrast and brightness, and also added a watermark here, again using Photoshop, and the description of the shopping mall is also given here. So if I press the link, I'm again redirected to the URL of the shopping mall, and users need a browser to be pre-installed in their phones so to use this function. So if I press next, we can see our other amenities, and I've used the same template on those. So now if we go back, if you press the back button on any screen, we come back to the home screen here. So the second section is the news event section. So if we click the icon here, we can see an event which just took place, and I've just written a short article. I've posted Anil's article here, and I've also included a link here, and now we are redirected to the URL to see local news. So here you can see Vasant Kunj news, and if we press back again, we are redirected to our home screen again. So the third section is advertisements and jobs. So if we click this icon, here we can see various advertisements and jobs, so such as a driver wanted or a tutor available, and every ad has a description along with a phone number, so residents can call people for details of the ads. And here you can see various types of ads, and these ads can be edited or removed whenever they need to be. So if we press back here again, we come back to our home screen, and the last section is the contact section. And if I press the icon here, we can see that for residents can reach out to the RWA. So if you press the telephone icon here, an automatic phone call is placed to the Residential Welfare Association, and the residents can ask queries or give suggestions easily. And the next icon is the email icon. So if you press this, an automatic email is composed to the RWA, so they can easily type emails from here. So if we go back now, so to place the automatic hyperlinks for the telephone and email, I edited the code on the MIT2 App Inventor 2 to allow Android privileges for accessing the phone dialer and the email or client, which may be Gmail, Hotmail, Rediffmail according to the user. So this is the application that I've created for the C1 Residential Welfare Association.